So this is class 4A, subject GSC, date 2015 12 2020. We are studying the lesson 14, the solar system. In this lesson, in chapter 14, solar system, we have studied about the sun and planets. In the planets, we have studied about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Today we are going to study about the Saturn. So Saturn is the sixth planet. We are studying Saturn. So Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It has beautiful shining rings around its middle, hence it is called the ring planet. Now next one about the Uranus. Next planet is the Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It was the first planet discovered using a telescope. The other planets from Mercury to Saturn have been known since ancient time. Now next one is the Neptune. Next, Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun. It has fast blowing storms. It is very cold and dark. So these were the readings about the stars and about the Sun and different type of the planets. Now about the stars. I told you last time about the difference between the planets and the stars. Planets do not bear the own light, while stars having their own light. So about the stars, we have to study stars. Next one is the stars. You are familiar with stars in the night. You can observe the stars in the sky, and when the night is clear, cloudless, then you can observe a large number of the stars. Moons also you can see, but stars are present in the sky. So we see lots of shining and the twinkling objects called stars in the sky night. Stars are huge balls of glowing gases that spread heat and light in space. They are actually huge but look like tiny dots because they are so far away. They are very big. So since they are far away from us, so they appears as a very small balls twinkling. They twinkles. So due to distance, since they are very away from us, so they are looking very small. The sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. It looks bigger because it is the closest star to the earth. Now next one, satellites. Actually satellites are the bodies which revolves around the planets. Moon is our natural satellite. Many artificial satellites are launched, but Moon is our natural satellite and it revolves around the Earth. So next on the satellites. Satellites. A satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. Many planets have their own satellites. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It is the earth's nearest neighbor in space. In 1969, Moon became the first object in the space to be visited by human beings. This is very important. In 1969, so human beings reached on the Moon. It does not have light of its own. It reflects the sun's light. It has a hard and rocky surface. It has big holes called craters on its surface. It has no atmosphere. Important feature is there. It has big holes called craters on its surface and it has no atmosphere. So next one, the movement of the earth. Next one, the movement of the earth. Movement of the earth. Movement of the earth. We already know that the earth is always moving. It spins on its axis like a top. This is called rotation. It rotates. Rotation. Suppose this is the earth. Earth is there. It moves on the axis. Suppose this step and it rotates on the axis. So it spins on its axis like a top. This is called rotation. At the same time, it moves around the sun. This is called revolution. So in this way, suppose this is the axis of Earth, it rotates, it spins on its axis, and also suppose this is sun, it also moves around the sun. So this process is, suppose this is the sun and it moves around the sun, and this process is called the revolution. Two terms are there, rotation and the revolution. So in the rotation, the earth revolves or spins on its axis, and while in revolution the earth moves around the sun. So we have to study in detail about the rotation on next day. Thank you. That's what today.